In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect steering wheel to Taxi Life. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a steering wheel to play Taxi Life is extremely simple. This is because the game actually supports steering wheel input, so it makes the game more immersive and realistic. And because the process is so straightforward, as long as you use a compatible steering wheel, you will be good to go. So first, connect the steering wheel. Plug the steering wheel into your PC according to the manufacturer's instructions. So use a USB cable, an alternative connection method, whatever you prefer. You just need to make sure that the steering wheel gets detected and it can be used as an input device inside of the game. Now, once this is done, launch Taxi Life and see if it works. You can just go ahead and start immediately and it should natively work, but you can also stop by the controller settings. So if you go over to the settings menu and you switch over to the controls category, you will be able to choose steering wheel as the input device and change all of the options from there. So you will see in this category every single button available for you to remap, so brake, acceleration, clutch, shift up, shift down, and so on, and you can change each of these individually. I'm also going to be showing you a list of official steering wheels supported by the game. This was posted on the Steam page for the game by the developers, and these are an updated list, like I said, of steering wheels that will natively work. You can try steering wheels outside of this list, but if you use one of these steering wheels, then they are going to have official support. And next, you just have to start playing. You might need to update the drivers or download additional tools on the background to change these mappings if your steering wheel is not officially supported, but for the most part, it is extremely simple to set up and play Taxi Life with a steering wheel. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect steering wheel to Taxi Life. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.